Guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Ezinne. Today we're going to be doing something fun. I will be carving my Halloween pumpkin and I have a sidekick with me. So let's go.
All right, so we're gonna cut around just to take this part out so we can get the okay. So you can start. I'll mark my
Ooh. Wait.
there you go. There you go. Careful with your fingers. Yeah. I'm gonna cut it like this. Use the your rough
Why is
edge.
it why is it not sharp? Okay, let me be. Ooh.
You can go into the now. All right.
Oh my god, I'm about
There
to
we
tear
go.
this.
So now we scoop out the goop from the inside using a frosted super goop soup. Just get all the nastiness out. Now for Nigerian viewers, you might recognize what this is. This is your friendly neighborhood
Egusi.
seed.
Egusi. Ooh.
There we go. There we go.
Ew.
Bunch of goop.
And I am still trying to bring out these designs. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh.
That's what it looks like inside after scooping out all the goop. And that's before the goop is scooped out.
And that's my pencil. Okay. Time to trace. Ooh, I hope I can do this. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so I'm taping it just so that it doesn't obstruct my tracing. All right. Time to trace. Okay. Man, my artistry skills suck. How's it going there?
It's good. It's good. It's good.
Ew.
Put the goop out. And I trust the goop soup.
Oh. My artistry skills suck.
Not about perfection. This was the goosey soup loading.
This is super loading.
The goosey soup loading.
This is super loading, no be small. Carving. Still carving. Ooh. Man, this teeth part. Godzilla teeth.
Alright, so I'm pretty much done.
Are you done with that?
Yeah, I'm practically done scooping out all the yama yama.
Ew.
That's to say Nigeria, all the yama yama.
Oh.
Okay, that's that. And then
My
I'll go
teeth are
work
coming.
now. I can stencil myself in. I'll be right back.
Ooh, I'm done. Yeah, this kind of looks. Yeah, this is the second phase.
Eventually, we'll get to the final product.
Yes, I'm just.
Isn't it? What did you get into pumpkin carving?
I think it's actually fun. It's a fun activity, family friendly, and it's my first Halloween here in Canada.
Your first Halloween?
Yep.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, I think it's actually fun. It's been fun so far. Though hard. I didn't think it was this. I didn't think it was this hard. But let's see. I'm getting a hang of it. Okay, time to.
And how's it going over here, sir? Oh yeah. So so here's my first stencil cut out. This one looks like it's gonna be hard. Well, here's my plan. My plan is to do the ghosts on one part and then the blue.
Ooh, are you
give it some multi-dimensional.
spookiness? Multi-dimensional spookiness.
Alright.
I hope I get this right.
No, that's there's a price for the finish.
Ah.
I'm up for that.
Oh no. Okay.
Let's make it a healthy competition, huh?
Yeah. Oh.
That means I have to up my game.
Don't up your game or no food for you.
You have to up my game because I'm a bit behind.
Oh my god. This is harder than I thought.
Just keep carving. It doesn't have to be perfect. Hey.
Oh my god. Okay.
Oh, look. Does it okay, no?
Mm. Whee!
Uh-oh. Pause. Nothing.
Ooh.
You have to extension of fingers.
Mm. My. I'm sure how my teeth look.
Alright, got my rules. We all call that
Oh, you're done?
rules, yeah.
Ooh, I'm not sure what this teeth looks like. Whatever. Ooh. Trying out the lights. Not so bad.
Look at it,
Yeah,
you appreciate it.
I'll do that.
Yes, right.
Hey.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I think, man, this noise has to be.
Oh. When said I put the light? I don't know the room lights.
Okay, at this point, I have to use normal spoon because this one is not doing the work as I would like it. So just cleaning it out. Get this guy clean. Get my egusi cleaned out. My egusi. Melon seed. It's like I'm brushing his teeth. How's that going?
We're making progress, yeah? And it's gonna go bigger too.
Okay. I want to give it big eye. Big eye. Big eye. Big eye pumpkin. At this point, I'm tired. I don't care when the competition anymore. I'm tired. It's so much fun, but man, it's tiring. No. Oh. This guy looks like he hasn't. This part of his teeth is not brushed.
So, how far have we gone?
I think I've done a pretty good job, to be honest. It's so much fun, but man, it's actually harder than I thought. But yeah, it's so much fun. Babe, how did I do?
You did fantastic.
I knew you said I did fantastic.
Fantastic.
Uh-huh. Yeah, my pumpkin man. Oh, this thing looks really great when you put the lights inside. Like, I'll show you guys.
Now let's do the boo.
The boo. Okay, hold up. And oh, this is the light effect. Ooh, here we go. Yeah, it looks really nice. The light effect looks really nice. Ooh. Okay, so
it looks like we have a winner. We do have a winner.
Yes, I'm done, and he's still coming.
Still carving away.
What? You went to do extra work with you? What's all that extra? Oh, okay, boo. Even your boo, get a boo.
Exactly.
No, my boo doesn't have a boo, please. Thank you. I'm the only boo. Oh. So guys, hope you have enjoyed carving with us, and do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. My name is Ezine, and on this channel I often talk about personal and career development plus edutainment topics in between, like this one. So please do consider hitting that subscription button. Let me know what you think. Have you carved your pumpkin for Halloween? Let me know what you think, and please vote mine is the best.